Over here, you can see that I got a lot of notes. And when you have a lot of notes, it becomes much more helpful to have, let's say, category tabs for your notes as well. So you don't have the feature by default, but what you can do is you can apply the category tab extension in Chromium-based browsers and then utilize category tabs to easily group out different notes that you may have. So to do that, you need to go around onto the Chrome Web Store, and to access it, you need to go to chrome.google.com, and then you can search out the extension over here. So I'm just going to go around over here and type in Google Keep just like this and press enter, and all the extensions related to Google Keep pops up right here. As you can see, it says category tabs for Google Keep, and this is what we want right here. So let's just go around and click on add to Chrome right here and click on add extension. And what happens is that the category tab gets installed right here. Let me just close all of these around right here, and immediately you can see the category tabs right here. So right now all is selected, but if I were to select blank right here, then all of the notes where the blank background pops up. You can select red, orange, and yellow. Whatever there is, it'll show up right here. So you can see it shows green notes. It shows teal notes, like blue notes right here, dark blue notes right here. And this does not seem like dark blue because this is the background color right here. But you can see that the blue is selected. So if I were to select no image right here, you can see that these are blue notes itself. There's purple notes right here. Again, for this, purple is applied. This is just the background that you're seeing. Pink, brown, and gray right here. So you can go around over here and select out, let's say, for example, if I want to change this into a pink note, then I can simply select it. And under pink, you can see this particular note. So you can increase the functionality of Google Keep notes just like this, as you can see, by adding category tabs extension for much more easier organization of the notes that you keep in Google Keep. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.